Hi everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Now in this video, I will be showing you how to easily do a chain rope. All you need are your hands. So you can use chain rope to make a smaller twine, bigger and more substantial, and then you can also use them for plant hangers, the handles of bags, a belt. Let's get to it and show you how to do that. And if you notice, I'm keeping the twine between my knees just to keep it taut so it's easier to do. And then you just keep going and you make the rope as long as you want to make it. Go. That is how easily you can do your chain rope. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing and remember to hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.